Have you ever worked your fingers to the bone, poured your soul into a dream, and watched absolutely nothing happened? You watch others succeed overnight while you are stuck in total, agonizing silence. You start to ask yourself, am I broken? Is life just unfair? If you are in that dark place right now, you need to understand the brutal law of the fifth year. Because right now, your hard work isn't being wasted. It's being tested. Deep in the heart of a valley, a discouraged traveler sat by the edge of a forest, ready to give up on his dreams. He had worked tirelessly for years, yet saw no results. Feeling defeated, he looked at an old forestry guide who was tending to the land and asked, "Why do some succeed quickly, while others work for years and have nothing to show for it?" The old guide smiled, pointed to a patch of ground, and said, "Look at the bamboo trees," the guide said. In the first year, after planting the bamboo seed, the farmer waters the soil. He fertilizes it. He waits. Nothing happens. Not a single green leaf breaks through the mud. In the second year, he breaks his back under the hot sun, watering the exact same empty dirt. Still, absolute silence. Year 3 arrives. Then, year 4. Imagine the mockery from the neighbors. Imagine the crushing self-doubt. To the entire world, this farmer looks like a fool wasting his life on a dead seed. This is exactly where 99% of people quit. They assume the seed is dead. They throw away their tools and they walk away forever. But then comes the fifth year. In the fifth year, a tiny sprout breaks through the mud. And then something miraculous happens. Within just 6 weeks, the bamboo explodes into the sky, towering a massive 90 feet high. The world looks at it and calls it an overnight success. But the old guy looked at the traveler and asked, "Did that bamboo really grow 90 feet in just 6 weeks?" The answer is no. It did not grow 90 feet in 6 weeks. It grew 90 feet in 5 years. If the farmer had stopped watering it for even a single day during those silent years, the root system would have withered, and the seed would have died beneath the dirt. During those 4 years of absolute silence, the bamboo was growing downward, developing a massive, complex network of roots deep into the earth. It was preparing its foundation. It spent years building the strength required to sustain its sudden, explosive growth. Likewise, your hard work is never wasted. It is being stored. When you are working, studying, or building something and seeing no visible progress, you are not failing. You are growing your roots. Keep watering your dreams, stay consistent, and trust your foundation. Your fifth year is coming.